Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to view your order history on Target. Open the website at target.com, then click on the profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Sign In. Click on Sign In. Now, sign in with your email or mobile phone and password. Once you're signed in, you will see another profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon. Then a drop-down list will appear. There, you will see an option for Account. Click on Account. On the left side menu of this page, you will see an option for Orders. Click on Orders tab. Now, you will see your order history. That's how you view your order history on Target. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.